Hi there, welcome back. So today I have a 2008 Honda Accord. So I'm going to show you how to change the crankshaft position sensor. This is right there behind that metal sheeting. And it's used 210 bolts. And right here I have a 10mm socket and a ratchet handle. So I'm going to use it to loose the bolts and get to that sensor. Okay guys, so now that I remove that metal sheeting from there, that metal plate, I'm going to show you how to remove that. So I'm going to squeeze that tab, squeeze and pull to remove the sensor. And it also use a 10mm bolt to remove it. Inspect the wire to see that there are no damage on them. So I'm going to remove that 10mm bolt.